During an earthquake, seismic forces can damage your home in several ways. A type of movement called racking occurs when lateral forces cause your home to tilt from side to side. Racking is resisted by structural sheathing attached to the wall framing. If a house is not properly anchored, lateral forces can shake the house and can cause it to shift off its foundation. This is called sliding. Sliding is resisted by attaching the wall frame to the foundation with anchor bolts. Lastly, if racking and sliding are restrained, lateral forces can cause overturning, such that the walls of the structure lift or rotate off the foundation. Overturning can be resisted by anchoring the walls to the foundation using hold-downs or tension ties.